Welcome. First of all, a couple of thank yous. Thank you to FCC President Cynthia Azari, Vice President of Instruction Tim Woods, Dean of Business Roy Vasquez, Director of Technology Don Lopez. Without them, we would not have this beautiful venue and this beautiful equipment and what we have today. My name is Dennis Mole. I am your Deputy Sector Navigator for ICT, Information Communication Technology, Digital Media. I know that's a mouthful, but what it basically is the workforce development departments and doing what matters for jobs and the economy's framework to try to get the word out about how important technology is. This is a shot from our website. The website is on my card. If you look at Doing What Matters, you can explore that when you get a chance. But basically, the Deputy Sector Navigator's job is to promote technology within career technical education programs. And part of that is developing a pathway. And pathways actually extend through high school and into the community college. Here at City College, 82% of our students do not graduate or transfer. So we hope that we can get that 82% a better job, a better higher paying job in technology. Statewide, the average is about 70%. If you want a technical transfer degree, that's fine. We'll support you there as well. But our emphasis in career technology education is to get higher paying jobs for our students that don't graduate or don't transfer. At some point in your package, you'll see something that says California Career Cafe. It's an extensive website. You can look at that over the week, and it has a lot of resources for these pathways that we've been talking about. Pathways even from middle school up through community college. California Career Cafe. Also in your package, you'll see an example of the CTE, Career Technical Education programs that we have at Fresno City College. If you look at this, there's technology involved in a lot of these programs. I know some of you out there teach not only technology, but other CTE areas. And those CTE areas overlap. They overlap into what's called a hybrid. The hybrids will end up in a pathway. This is my industry's first pathway here. It's called the Business Information Worker. So what I envision in 2 years, and this workshop will be a big part of that, is having a pathway for web development. In other words, what are the critical classes that we can deliver to our students to get them out into the workforce developing web pages? So right now, this is it's basically Excel and business communication. Business communication plays into what we call soft skills, and I have another example of soft skills. We partnered with retail and hospitality industry, and they came up with this booklet here. Some of you have this booklet here. Maybe you can discuss it at lunch. It's extensively about soft skills and is a skills standard. This is also one of my goals for our industry, is to get to a skills standards. What are the skill standards that a modern web technologist would need to get a higher paying job at this point? Do we know that? We know about certifications, but who do the certifications belong to? Where are those certifications from? What drives those requirements for those certifications? Another challenge about community colleges is that there are a lot of them, 112, soon to be 113 with Clovis Community College. And I represent this region here of 13 colleges, from Columbia up north to Taft in the south. But I know from registration that there are actually community college instructors and K-12 teachers from all over the state here. So that's wonderful. So those are my broad goals for today. I know it's going to be very exciting. It's going to be about web technology. This one is about HTML5 and CSS3. And I would like to close with thanking you all, not only just thanking you for being here on a holiday, but thanking you for making a difference. I had dinner with Ryan last night. We were talking about the old way of doing things. And even as web developers, we fall back on the old way of doing things because it's easier. We're just more comfortable with it. HTML5, CSS3, not a lot of instructors, teachers are comfortable with that. things like JavaScript, or excuse me, things like Visual Basic Script, or VB, or Dreamweaver, these older technologies. I remember teaching actual HTML5. It's not done that way anymore. You don't actually go in and manipulate the tags in HTML5. You use these technologies that we'll learn about today. So thank you for helping to overcome this resistance to change. I think you're empowering our students, making a big difference, and we are bringing technology to the valley. With that, I'm handing it over to